Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com and I am back with another Fit Friday video. Yes, the series is back. It's been quite a while since I've posted anything on my blog or here on YouTube that has been fitness or health related, and that's for a number of reasons. If you follow me on social media, you're well aware, but if you don't, I was pregnant through most of last year. I have Achilles tendonitis and plantar fasciitis, which made working out and being as active as I would normally be or want to be very difficult. And I had a gallstone that caused some major issues for me. I was hospitalized for about 5 days last year, almost a year ago exactly. And that caused me to be very careful with what I did because we decided that it was best for me to deliver first, then have the gallbladder removed. So that's what happened about 4 or 5 weeks ago now. I had my gallbladder removed. I wasn't able to be physically active as much as I normally would be or would want to be. So I feel like I'm just, even though my daughter is now 6 months old, I feel like I'm just starting to get into the post-baby, health, fitness routine going. And if you haven't heard about Fit Fridays is a series that I created where I talk about my health and fitness goals and my story. I lost 60 pounds twice. I lost it in college. I was always a very, very heavy, full-figured, curvy girl, and then I lost 60 pounds, and then I had my daughter 6 years ago, and I gained a lot of weight and lost all of it again, and now this is going to be hopefully my third and last time, we'll see, losing all of that weight again. And I'm very excited again to be the healthiest person that I can be for my now larger family and for myself. So I'm going to be tracking my weight loss and health goals and fitness goals with you. A major component that will help me with my health goals is this product right here. This is a Vitamix. Now, this is not a sponsored video, I wish. If you are following me on Instagram, you know that I've already been making some juices with a Vitamix. It's actually my mother's, so now we got our own, and this is a much fancier version than the one that she has, so I'm really excited to open this up and show you. But juicing is a major component of a healthy lifestyle, especially for me. It's just a really great way to control how much you're taking in, and also just a really great way to get as much vegetables and fruits and nutrients into you in a very quick and easy way by drinking these really healthy, rich juices that are rich with vitamins and minerals and nutrients of all kinds. So I got a Vitamix and I'm going to unbox it right now. So I am going to link to this Vitamix in the description box below so you can see the exact version I have. This is an A3500. It is from the Ascent series, and I'll show you what this comes with. In addition to the Vitamix, I did get one of the accessories available. There are several accessories that you can buy for your Vitamix. This is a 3-piece spatula set, and they're all the same, and it says Vitamix.com and their phone number right here. But this is really good to help you get any of the things that might get stuck in the bottom of the Vitamix. So I'm going to set this aside. All right, here she is. Again, this is the Vitamix A3500 from the Ascent series, and I got it in the graphite finish. Really excited. Here's a little sticker that says quality control checked, so I know that this is going to come to me in perfect condition. Some of the things that it comes with is a 10-year warranty, laser cut blades, metal drive system, pair with any self-detect container, touch interface, 5 program settings, programming timer, variable speed control, and pulse. And I mean, if you've heard about Vitamix, you probably have, especially if you're someone who likes to make your own juices or cook for your family. This is just such an amazing kitchen tool. If you can add it to your kitchen, to what you have, I mean, it's spectacular. I started drinking green juices a couple of years ago, and I've just never looked back. And they can be so expensive to buy, especially here in New York City, a juice will run you anywhere from $5 to $10 depending on where you get it, sometimes even more. Sometimes they're bottled, and obviously if you can make it yourself, make it fresh, it's much more affordable. And here's the body. It's quite large, as you can see. And not only can you make juices with this, but you can make nut butters and soups and all kinds of things. And thankfully, they've included Simply Blending, which is a quick and easy whole food recipes for every meal. So this will certainly give me some inspiration about what to make with my new Vitamix. And here's that tool that helps you push the ingredients down as you're making your juices or whatever you're doing, the butter, the nut butters. You can use this to help it push the ingredients down towards the blades. And here is the base. As I mentioned, I got the graphite finish, which is a black metal. It's absolutely beautiful. And then the face, as you can see, already has some preset settings, if you will. Here is a smoothie, drawing of a little smoothie, so that's obviously how you make your smoothies or your juices. Here is an ice cream icon, a soup icon, a butter icon, like a peanut butter or nut butter, and then water. The little water droplets, that means that this machine, one of the reasons why I really, really wanted this, I've had powerful blenders before that I've used to make my own juices. I've had a juicer that is actually stored in this. I haven't used it and I can't remember when's the last time I used it, because using juicers is just such a pain because of the washing up after. So you cut up all your fruits, you cut up all your vegetables, and then you feed it into your juicer, and then you're left with all this pulp that, number one, you're losing nutrients in there because those fibers are rich with nutrients and vitamins, so they should be consumed. It would be best if you can consume some of that, so that you get the full benefit of those fruits and vegetables. But then you have to just clean up so much and throw so much of that away, and that was really a pain in the you-know-what. And it's one of the reasons why, although I was very into juicing at one point, I just kind of got tired, lazy, call it what you will, but I didn't use it that much. So with this amazing blender, and if we can call it a blender because it's a great machine, you can just feed those fruits and vegetables pretty much whole into this, and this will make a smoothie or a juice with them. You don't have to throw away, you're not losing any of the fiber, you're not, and then you don't have to clean up so much after, because all you have to do is put some water in here with some dish detergent and run it on that setting, and it'll wash itself. You dump it out, you do that again with clean water, and then it's clean, and then that's it. So the cleanup is super, super easy, which is, as a mom, as a wife, as someone who has a baby, that is invaluable to me. So again, this is everything that came in that box. This is the blender itself. This is the top. The top is already attached to this. Really sturdy, really good. I've already used a Vitamix before, so I fell in love with it, and that's why I knew that I wanted one for myself. And then I got this one, this more, how should I put it? This more, I say fancy, but it really is just a lot more settings. I wanted this because I am cooking for my family now, so if I want to make a nut butter or if I want to make a soup, I can do that all myself. I control the ingredients, I control what's going into my food and what my kids are eating and what my husband's eating. So I just knew that I wanted this little more high-tech version for us. Another great thing about this version in particular is that it has a lock here, which means that if I were making something and then I put the lock on, if my daughter comes in and starts pressing buttons, I don't have to worry about it. It's not going to turn on because I have that lock in place. All right, so now that I covered what came in the box and some of the settings, why don't we give this baby a try? What do you say? All right, so I'm ready to start my smoothie. For the first smoothie that I'm going to make with my Vitamix, I'm not going to go too fancy or too crazy. It's going to be something pretty simple. So I'm going to start with coconut water. So that's about a cup of coconut water right there. I can add more as we start blending depending on how much, what consistency I want. From there, I'm going to add chia. These are chia seeds right here. Chia seeds are great. They're a great source of protein and fiber and omega-3s. And then from there, I'm going to add some spinach. Just a handful. And then I'm gonna add some apples. Now, famously from the SNL sketch, you probably already know you don't have to core your apples, but I've already cut these open because another great thing about making smoothies is that, or using a blender like this, is that when your fruits and your vegetables, you see like they're on their last few days, they're about to go bad, that's a great opportunity for you to just put them in the Vitamix and create yourself a healthy smoothie that you can drink for breakfast. You can have for you and your family can enjoy for breakfast or as a snack. So definitely recommend that. All right, let's start putting these in there. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to put this back on. There we go. So I press the smoothie button and then the little play button right here. And so because that's already been set, it's going to go off on its own. All right, and there we go. We have a perfectly blended green smoothie. Let's do the taste test and see how it tastes. So I have my little mason jar here, and let's pour it out. So right away I'm seeing that is very smooth, and again, this is spectacular because I used whole apples in there with the core and everything. So the fact that that's been, you know, completely blended super well to make a smooth smoothie is amazing. All right, let's try it. That is amazing. There's no chewiness. I can't believe how smooth it is. Usually when I put chia seeds into my regular blender and I make smoothies with just a normal blender, I can still chew on the chia seeds. They don't just like blend away to nothing. I still wind up chewing through some of my smoothie, but this, I mean, it's just, they're not there anymore. It almost looks like, it almost feels like, because there's no chewiness to this at all. Super smooth. Absolutely delicious. All right, so as you can see, I've added some water with some dish detergent right here, and now I'm going to cover it up and then click that little self-clean setting button. And now play. And it's off on its own. Now I'm going to throw this out and put just water in it, and it should be completely clean. All right, I'm back. Now this looks pretty clean to me, but I'm going to go ahead and do that second cycle as recommended. So I filled it up with water, and now I'm going to hit that clean cycle again. Just the drops and then play. All right, it just finished, and now I dump this water out and I can just leave it to dry, and it's all set for my next juice or Vitamix adventure. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. I look forward to doing more Fit Friday videos for you in the next couple of weeks. Please let me know if you have any requests, any questions, any comments, or anything you'd like me to cover. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I'd love to get some more ideas as to what you are looking for in the health fitness world, that I can share some of my experiences and my thoughts and my opinions and my recommendations. If you'd like to watch my most recent video, click right here, or click right here to watch another video that you might enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.